This is where it's built, inside the F-22 Raptor Jet Factory. What costs $150 million, flies at Mach 2, and has never lost a single air-to-air fight? This is...
Tolerance check complete. Reading is nominal.
Confirmed on the caliper. The contour is exact.
Initiating downward cycle on main flaps. Movement is stable, confirming synchronization across all surfaces. Cycle complete. Returning to neutral position. Systems idle at stable operational baselines. Cooling and power flows remain steady. The camera slowly pulls back, signaling completion of avionics integration. Sensors emit and receive controlled signals. Calibration algorithms adjust in real time.
Power paths engaged. Confirming load balance now.
Channels stabilized. Load balance confirmed across all primaries. Alignment stabilized. Signal pathways confirmed. Receiving telemetry. Power-up sequence initiated. Systems idle at stable operational baselines. Cooling and control flows remain steady. The camera slowly pulls back, signaling completion of propulsion integration.
All systems idle at stable operational baselines. Cooling and power flows remain steady. The camera...
Readings stabilized on my end.
Confirmed. Uniform conditions achieved. Sequence locked.
All systems hold at operational readiness. Cooling and power remain stable.
Monitor the parameters on stage 3. They are stabilizing.
Levels are nominal. Calibration complete. Systems green.
Rotors spin smoothly at controlled speed. Vibration readings remain within tolerance.
Airflow channels stabilize under test conditions. Heat signatures remain controlled. The camera pans along the exhaust path.
All propulsion systems hold at readiness. Cooling and monitoring continue uninterrupted. The camera slowly pulls back, signaling phase completion.
power levels fluctuating under test profile. Systems compensating instantly. Stabilization achieved.
Alignment nominal.
Mounts locked.
Tolerances confirmed. Panels seating now. Monitor alignment sequence.
Pathway indicators are green. Thermal scan initiated.
Lines advancing. Clamps securing joint 4.
Initiating pressure integrity check sequence.
Integrity confirmed. System stable. Laser convergence nominal. Structure is locked. Tolerances verified.
Airflow balance stabilizing now.
Readings confirmed. Systems nominal.
Systems stabilizing. Synchronization is nominal.
Reading green across the board. Cycle complete. Panels 7 through 9 confirmed secure.
Structural integrity check complete. Green light for the next sequence.
Actuator cycle stabilizing. Directional response confirmed.
Parameters look good.
Pressure stable across cycles. Uniform response confirmed.
Acknowledged. Data capture complete. Torque specifications checked on the left side.
Confirmed. Right side alignment within parameters.
System shows green for lock.
Calibration cycle 1 nominal.
Confirming stable interaction across all frequencies.
Data links are green, ready for next sequence.
Harnesses secured. Initiating signal integrity check.
Stand by for confirmation. Systems green.
Guidance is online.
Secondary systems stabilizing now.
Baseline checks complete.
Systems idle at stable operational baselines. Hydraulic and electronic signals remain steady. The camera slowly pulls back, signaling completion of flight control integration.
Interfaces confirmed. Verifying responsiveness now.
Controls check good. Systems green.
All systems hold green status. The aircraft waits for clearance.
Protocol complete. Status operational.
All ground equipment clear of the taxi line.
Roger that. Flight controls check complete. Surface is responding.
Ready for engine start?
Systems initiate in precise order. Gantries aligning. Report status checks.
Systems remain stable over time. Data logs accumulate without anomaly. The camera slowly orbits the aircraft.
Inspection teams move in perfect sequence. Each system receives final clearance.
Clear to move forward. Keep it straight. Copy that. Steady rolling.
Maneuvers execute with precision. Telemetry streams remain stable. The camera follows a smooth aerial arc.
The pressure differentials are holding steady.
What about the fuel flow rate on engine 3?
Within optimal parameters.
Systems remain in standby readiness. Guards hold position as doors seal.